Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because your girl's gonna keep it coming with the videos, the looks, the slayage. I wanted to do something that will match this hair. Yo, it is so hot, like they're melting. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up. So freaking oily. You guys want to know how I got this makeup look? Get into it. Period. Who? I hear like a humming sound. It's my fan. It's super hot in here and I ain't finna die for no video. I like doing these masks right before I put my makeup on because then my skin will be extra moisturized. I'm going to moisturize with some Juvias. I'm gonna put my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme on my lips. This is just gonna be like a really, I do have some new products that I've never tried before that I'm gonna be using today. The things that I picked up from Ulta the other day. So I picked up a Colorpop concealer because I've never used one before and I've heard it's like all the rave, honey. Deep Dark 52, looks like this. And then I also got the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the new shade Spiced Rum. Also got the Juvias Place foundation. This is in the shade Kenya. When I do my makeup and I know that I'm wearing eyeshadow, I usually start with my brows first. Beauty Bakery flower powder. I'm just setting my brows just so that they're not too oily because I just moisturize my skin. I want the product to stick a little bit or so. I like this one to fill in my brows. It's by She Magic. It's waterproof. It's actually an eye and lip pencil, but I like to use it for my brows just because I really like the consistency of it. It also comes with a sharpener. And it's $1. Like, not even $1. It's 99 cents from the Beauty Spot store. Look at all this pencil you get. Like, come on. I'm gonna speed through this because it's not really important. Come on, brows. Your Beauty Spot store sell this pencil. Your girl just put you on to something. Let's get into these brows for 2 seconds. Just 2. Girl, sus. Come on now. I'm taking the P. Louise base in Rumor 3 and I'm priming my eyelids. And just blend her out, honey. Whew, she's hot. Shout out to Aaliyah for my It Girl case. Girl, yes, you know she's rocking. Into my James Charles Morphe palette. I don't remember the names off the top of my head. But I'm taking this red right here. So I'm gonna start to pack her on, honey. So I'm going out to dinner with my homegirl later. She's like, what are you wearing tonight? And I'm like, this, that, and the third, trying to explain to her what I might put on. And she's like, you gonna want me to take your pictures later? I'm like, you just know the lingo, baby. With that shade, we're just gonna settle up a little bit. I just want to deepen it a little. In this P. Louise base, and I'm gonna start cutting the crease because stop calling me. I'm gonna start adding my gold. I haven't used this palette in centuries. This is the Fenty palette. This was her first palette, I believe, the Galaxy palette. But I'm going in with Mars on Fire on the inner eye, and then I'm gonna put Meteor Crush in the center. And I'm also going to spray it. I want it to be a little more potent, you know? Gonna take some lash glue, carefully outline where I want the pigment. It's gonna stop like where the shadow starts to get really dark. Using these pigments, I don't know where I got them from, I don't remember, but I don't know what's going on with my camera. It keeps overheating and the SIM card is full, I guess, but the other SIM card that I ordered on Amazon, I can record as much as I want on there, and then all of a sudden the footage is like gone. I don't want to risk finishing recording this and then like I ain't got no footage to work with. So that's why I'm recording on my phone. I turned down the lighting a little bit so you guys can see like color payoff. I was wiping away some of that darker shade in the crease. So I'm going into the James Charles palette, the original red that we put in there. I took the yellow from the Juvias Place palette. I had to stop and go get this package. AliExpress vendor. Boom, so we're moving on to the face. I'm gonna prime the Becca Ever Matte, the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I put it on my nose, just on my cheekbones and cheek, cause child, my pores are huge there. We get greasy. We're going to try out this Juvias Blaze. It's gonna be, she gonna be thick, girl. She gonna be thicker than a snicker. I don't know if I would recommend this for summertime wear because it's a cream foundation. You already know that it's gonna be warm on the face. Ooh. Ooh, I should have shaved my face down. That coverage. On our neck. Because we are not gonna be wearing a mask tonight. No, we're not. So I'm using the Colorpop No Filter Concealer, okay? Very neutral tone. I'm gonna do it under my eyes last because I want that to like soak in, you know, do her thing. My brows are still the focal point of today. I like this concealer. Okay. So what am I gonna use on top of that? Should I do the Fenty concealer? I can't trust Colorpop yet. So it looks freaking flawless. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base primer for a highlight. What? I'm in need to cream contour and I barely do it. Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F18. I'm gonna go back in with the Colorpop concealer and just clean up. Okay, I'm gonna set her because I'm getting nervous. I don't know what's going on. I've never been in these territories. I'm setting with my Fenty powder and ooh, I almost dropped my entire. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my MAC powder. I'm a NW45. Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm gonna take this color here, that's the most used, clearly. I'm going to contour. My Tarte blush in Party, I think, or Charisma. I'm using the Juvias Place highlighter in Nefertiti. We're gonna go back to the eyes, baby. Oh! 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 That hurts. Pluck 2 lashes. So now I'm gonna do my lips. And this is like the perfect nude glossy combo for me. Well, there you have it, you guys. It's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys love the look. I know I do. I'm about to go out and slay. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells, and I'll see you in the next one.